Njerie shark do 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 do, Njerie shark do 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 do, Njerie shark do 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 do, Njerie shark. Njerie up do 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 do, Njerie up do 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 do, Njerie up do 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 do, Njerie do.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Njerie Gitau here. For those who are new, welcome, karibuni. Feel free to take a seat and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family. For those who are back for the second, third or even umpteenth time, then welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do another sort of professional, easy, classy, but relatively easy and quick updo. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look over here, then keep watching to the end of the video, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. An accessory off camera just to make it look a bit pretty and girly, and okay, I think it looks just cute. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what do you think of the updo series. Is there one that you have tried? And if you ever try any one of these updos or any other style, just post it on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, and tag me at my handle. That's at Njerie Gitau, and they'll be somewhere here. If you've gotten to the end of this video and you still haven't subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get alerts whenever I drop new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I will see you in the next one.